All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Cutz. So today I want to walk us through on how to achieve this high fade. The first thing you need to do, brush down the hair, join your blade together to a skin level, then texture it very well. As you are creating the first guideline, make sure you texture it very well. So after texturing it, please, if today is the first time you see my channel, my page, please make sure you subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post, you'll be the first to see it and watch it, and like, comment and share. Join my membership pack to support us. Thank you. So see the way I'm doing it. Make sure you're watching how my hand is moving. See the way I'm brushing off the hair. Anyone that I remove, I'll brush it off. Texture it very well. Whenever you're cutting, don't rush it. Then after that, the second guideline, you're going to put it on low cut level. Bring the gel down, open it, texture it very well. Follow it accordingly. There's something that you don't know about hair texturing. If you don't texture hair very well, if you are blending the hair, it will not blend very well. Do you understand? So whenever you are texturing a hair, you are creating a guideline, you are texturing it, make sure you texture it very well. After that, you clean the line between the first guideline and the second guideline by bringing the gear up. Don't close it finish. I normally call it semi-low cut. You open it a bit, then use it to clean off the line. After cleaning the line, if you see anywhere that did not clean very well, then you join it fully to a skin level, then you skin it. After skinning it finish, you still put it on local level to what, to smoothen it very well. Can you see what I'm doing? Please share this video, let other people benefit from it. After that, then use your step 1 to create the third guideline, which is going to be the final guideline that will give you the blending shape. Do you understand? So put it on low cut level under step 1. After you texture it finish, you created the third guideline finish, then you can turn your hand. You can turn your hand as if you want to barb normal low cut. You blend it down. Do you know why I did not use step 1.5? Is because the hair, the side hair is not that bushy, it's not too much. So step 1 can go with it very well. So see the way I'm brushing it down, see the way I'm blending it down. Make sure you're brushing off your hair. Do you understand? So after that, you still turn your hand upward. Watch what I'm doing. Please share this video. Make sure you're part of this family. After that, you join the blade together on skin level under step 1. Then you flip it up, you blend it. You see what I'm doing? Follow it accordingly. I told you guys that barbering is very simple. Do you understand? It's very simple when you have passion for it, and it's very hard when you don't have passion for it. Whatever you have passion for, you quickly understand it and grab it. So after that, you still turn your hand downward to blend it down. Can you see? You blend it down. There are different techniques on how you can achieve this. That's why you need to master different patterns, different techniques. So after that, you bring your gel down, put it under low cut level, then blend the tip side. Don't go up again so that you do not spoil the high fade. You know, we normally call it Afro round cut, but they call it high fade. It's still high fade. So you blend the tip side, because after blending it, you're going to turn your hand upward to clean off the line. Do you understand? To clean off the line. See the way I'm doing it. Sometimes if you are doing it, you can see the edge of the blade to get what you are trying to get. Do you understand? Make sure you share this video. That is the only concern I'm after. Don't be stingy. If I'm stingy, I won't be putting out this tutorial online. Please make sure you are sharing, and don't forget to join our membership pack to support us in any way you can support us if you're truly benefiting from our videos. So watch what I'm doing, and don't forget to subscribe, turn your notification bell on, be part of this family. You are not going to regret it, because the way I teach, I detail it in a way that even if you don't have interest in barbering, once you watch my video, you develop that interest. Do you understand? See what I'm doing? All this thing that I'm doing is detailing work. They call it detailing. So after you have gotten the shape of the high fade, everything, then all this one, I have to take your time to make sure you detail the work very well, to look for anywhere that did not blend very well. You take your time to blend it, to clean off any line. That is what we call detailing. Do you understand? Can you see it? After that, then you comb out the hair. You comb it very well. You comb the hair very well, then you trim it. You trim the side, trim it, put it under low cut level, bring the gel down. You follow it accordingly. You trim it very well to get the shape properly. Do you understand? Please share this video. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy. So look at it. After that, you take your time to check the hair if there is anywhere that did not blend very well. Do you understand what I'm saying? So this is HUC. You know how HUC normally do it, how universal core normally do it, theory and practical. I'll make sure that you understand this barbering in a simplest way. Do you understand? So barbering is very, very sweet. It's very, very, there is nothing hard. After this, you take your time to make sure that you look anywhere that did not blend very well. You blend it well. This is HUC High Universal Core. I love you. Share, like, comment, ask question, and subscribe. Turn the notification